This is footprint. This much is footprint. This is the lateralmost border of the GT. This is middle border of the GT. And this is, now we have seen that this is easily able to come here and able to cover the footprint. So we are planning for double row repair. So in middle row, you put your middlemost anchor in the junction of the cartilage and footprint. So like this. So the angle should be at the 45 degree. I can put anchor like this also. So the pull out strength will decrease because it will easily come out like this. If it is like this, and I pull anchor like this, it will not come out. So that is called dead man's angle, 45 degree. So you put at the 45 degree. So always before making the bottle, take with the spinal needle and check the angle. Spinal needle and check the angle if it is going to the 45 degree or not. Now at this stage, usually when the assistant is busy taking it out, my another hand always hold this, because sometimes while pulling this, what happens, this one of the thread will be pulled and it will unload like this. See, the thread is pulling. So always you have to hold this and then pull it out, otherwise the anchor will unloaded. So and then check the hold by pulling. If it has to come out, it should come out on table, not post operative. So check, try to pull it out. Then first pass. So first one, then the second one. So this is the fiber wire, but nowadays there are anchor with fiber tape. In fiber tape, you don't require knot tying. You just pass the fiber tape here and just directly put it on the lateral row. Because some people believe that when you do knot tying, it will strangulate the cuff tissue and it will decrease the blood supply. Theoretically, it is right. Practically, we don't know. Okay. So now you standard fashion, you do knot tying. So this is a horizontal mattress. You do knot tying, there will be some strangulation. So if you have fiber tape, it will have a larger surface area. So better compression, and you then do this. So we will now put a lateral row anchor. So if you see here, there is a metal tip. So there is a peak material tip also. So there you require an additional step. First you have to create hole with the awl, then take it out, take out the owl, and then again put this. So in that step, sometimes you lost the hole. So there is metal tip, directly just insert. Then you just do manual traction. Now there are two sides. So this side should face the cuff. If you by mistake, if you put like this, see. So it should go like this. It should be facing the cuff. By mistake, if you rotate, then it will travel like this and then go inside like this. So while putting inside, you have to be careful. The direction is maintained. Hammer. Now another thing, hold this. So they have given the slot here. So give tension. Individually give tension, and then there is a slot here. You tie on the slot. So that there is no slack when you put inside. Hammer. So you should go up to the first thread. First thread. जो बाकी. Okay. Then hold this and rotate. Sir. And always there is one additional thread. This is basically a retention thread to retain. And you can take a dog. You can, if there is a dog ear, you can use this on the dog ear to compress it. Otherwise, take it out. Fiber wire cutter. This is a, you can see the compression.
Yeah.
That you can achieve with the double row repair.
Is it always necessary to use a lateral row anchor for double row? ધારો કે તમે આવું ડબલ રો કરીને પછી એટલે આવી રીતે ડબલ બેલેન્સ વિચારી નોટ ખાલી કરી દો નોટ યુઝ ધી lateral row anchor.
So then that is a single row. Then that is a single row repair.
ખાલી horizontal mattress લઈને તમે ખાલી કરી.
If you are doing mini open, then we do double row repair with this transosseous. If you remember, we pass it separately. So that is a double row repair only, but with the transosseous.